Hello and welcome to this task. Today we are going to do some JavaScript practice because we have learned a lot of things in the last session. Now we're going to see how we can really practice it, rinse and repeat it. So the more you practice again and again and again, you can be a master in it. So normally it's not easy sometimes when you keep doing new tasks. So that's why in this task we are going to rinse and repeat. So you're going to repeat again and again until it become familiar to you, so that you can just so that you can write your code on your own. You got it? So let's say test number one. How do you declare your variable? So, and second question is, how do you print in this console? So how do you declare a variable? So let's say let name equal to Enoch. So how do you declare your age here? Let age equal to 39. How do I print it? Console.log name. Console.log age. So try to declare as many as variables. Try to declare different numbers and find out how you can try it out. So, and also important thing is actually use console.log to understand what's going on in every steps. So because if you have a big program, so this is a very simple program, but when you have a big program, you need to understand what's going on next line. So you can use console.log to see what value came here and what's next. So understand this. So let's go. So next one, let's say we learned about arrays now. So we already learned about arrays. Can you declare an array with yeah, so let's declare an array. Let fruits equal to, array is always like this, apple, banana, mango. Yes, now how do you print? For example, if I want to print banana, how do you do that? Or how do you console log? Console.log fruits of 1. So this is how you print. This is how you print banana here. So now task 3. How do you create a JSON object? So we have learned this in the last session, in the last videos. Can you able to create a JSON object? So it looks like same like declaring a variable, but it's a JSON object. Const student equal to name Enoch, age 39, and profession equal to programmer. So I want to print the profession. How do I do that? Console.log student dot profession. So, so this is how you do this. And what are the other things we learned? We learned about loops. So let's practice for loop. For loop for I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. For loop, and then say console.log I. So this is how you work on for loop. How do you manipulate, or how do you use DOM manipulation? For example, you have a HTML, something like, for example, p tag with an ID called hello, and say hello Enoch. So yeah, let's say this is the thing. So you have an ID. How do you use this in JavaScript? How do you fetch this element, this particular element? You say document dot get element by ID. So you can exactly get this element by calling the ID. So hello. Dot text content equal to hello world. Yes, so this is how you work on this. And yeah, so I want you to practice more things about get element by ID or arrays JSON object. So create different JSON object and try to console.log. Try to use arrays. Try to declare many as variables, and rinse and repeat it until you get really good in this. Yeah, I see you in another test or task video. Thank you so much for watching this video.